Hey, I'm Ken.
And I'm Leanne.
Oh my God.
I'm yelling for you, Grace.
Anyways, we're sitting at the entrance to our property here. Wayne and them have gotten up the post for the gate at the front entrance. So we're waiting for the concrete to show up, and yeah, it's pretty exciting.
Yeah, so what they're going to do is put up a temporary gate right now so we can keep the property secured. And then this will eventually become our permanent gate, which I understand now is going to be a custom gate. So send me your ideas. I get to kind of do a custom gate.
All right, next thing you see, we're probably going to head up to the property and see what they've done. They probably staked everything out with rebarb and stuff. And we'll cut back to this once we get the concrete truck here. They should be on their way.
Good lunch date, babe.
Yep, all right.
We may be hungry when it's over, but great lunch break.
All right, everybody's moving because we hear the concrete truck. I'm going to try to walk backwards and not find that black. He's telling me to video like he's not already on camera. Getting real.
So here we are, concrete trucks here. We're going to fill these ones up and head on down and do the foundation. All right. I'll pick this up. many yards of concrete? 20 yards.
10 on each truck.
So all the pins are the same height. Is that how it is? You guys go with 10? It's an optical illusion because it's dug out a little bit there. It looks lower.
Yeah.
But
It's averaging 8 to 9 inches thick.
yeah.
Some places a little bigger.
All right, here we are later this evening, and the foundation for the garage is right there, and it is done. They've got the foundation for the house with all the posts and those are all supports inside the house, since there's an upstairs and stuff, and then back over there for the porch and that. Now they did not have enough concrete here, or the one down there, but they should get that probably tomorrow. And this one right there. There's Lynn with her awesome shirt on. Oh man, people just don't understand the glory of the Ken Moon shirt. All right, so there we have it. We got the foundation in. We're excited. That means that they're going to start bringing in bricks and wood and start building that house.
I know. We're super excited. It's been a hot and exciting day. They've gotten a lot done. Obviously ran out of a little bit of concrete, but they'll be back with more. And I think we'll be back with more because we've still got water and power hopefully both coming in this week.
Hopefully so. All right, if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell right next to it if you can. It'll tell you when we have videos come out.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Journeys with Ken and Leanne. Be sure to ring that bell on YouTube. A lot's happening. It's happening really fast, and we want you to come along on the journey.
All right, until next time, hope you enjoy the journey.